You ready? Keep your hand in your pocket.
I haven't got a pocket. Running frames in the top. No, but they'll crawl through, won't they?
Don't need them actually, we don't need two broods on this.
No, they don't.
At all. What we're playing at.
If they're stuck, just leave it.
Just leave it. We need lemongrass really.
Go and get some of that scent then.